Hi, in this video, let's discuss about total cost of ownership. What is total cost of ownership or total life cycle cost or total acquisition cost? When we purchase a material, we pay a price to the supplier. That is a purchasing price. But this is not the only cost we incur. There will be installation charges, delivery charges, etc. The concept of total life cycle cost takes into account the cost incurred during the useful life of the asset, not just the purchase price. So as per the modern procurement view, cost and value are much broader concepts than just the purchase price of an asset. Total cost of ownership includes a bunch of costs apart from the purchase price, which may be incurred throughout the life cycle of the asset. Hence, it's clear that total cost of ownership is very much different from purchase price of an asset, and total cost of ownership offers a better understanding. Total cost of ownership can be categorized as pre-acquisition cost, acquisition cost, operating cost, maintenance cost, downtime cost, and end of life cycle cost. Let's see some examples for these categories. Pre-acquisition cost, that is costs incurred prior to the actual purchasing action. Examples are research cost, sourcing cost, etc. Acquisition cost. Examples are purchasing cost, cost of finance, delivery cost, installation cost, etc. Next is operating cost. The cost incurred to run the machinery or to operate the machinery. Examples are labor cost, material cost, energy usage, etc. Maintenance cost. Examples are servicing cost, replacement of parts, repair cost, etc. Downtime cost. If the asset fails to perform or stop working, then there will be downtime costs such as extra labor cost or cost of lost production, etc. End of life cycle cost. Once the material's useful life is over and is being replaced with new or alternative item, there will be some cost incurred. Examples are disposal cost, decommissioning cost, etc. By looking at these various costs, we can say the purchase price is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many other important costs to be considered, not just the purchase price. This is especially important in the case of capital equipment procurement, where the product has considerably long life cycle. Total cost of ownership considers the cost of the purchase across the product's entire life cycle. Therefore, it offers a more accurate basis for choosing among alternatives in a purchasing decision. We can say the item with the lower total cost of ownership is the better value item in the long run. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.